Does your vacuum sealer actually prevent oxidation, or is it just trapping bacteria? Our analysis of internal pump pressures reveals which units fail under real-world stress. In this video, we share the top 5 vacuum sealers based on vacuum density. Stay until the final comparison to see the data-driven winner. Links are in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Patented Globefish technology applies double the standard pressure for a perfect seal. This stainless steel unit offers a 135-watt motor capable of processing 50 bags in 20 minutes. It measures 16 inches long, occupying the same horizontal space as a standard computer keyboard. At 5.82 pounds, it weighs about the same as 3 liters of water. The system operates at a quiet 65 decibels, which is lower than a standard household vacuum. It features a built-in bag cutter and dedicated internal storage for rolls. The multifunctional interface includes pulse and extended seal modes, specifically engineered for managing liquids and moist ingredients. An innovative bag clip prevents material wrinkles, ensuring a uniform thermal bond every time. ETL-listed components provide long-term operational safety for high-volume home processing. Number 4. High-speed automation meets 95 kilopascals suction to secure 30 bags in 15 minutes. This 140-watt machine features a 0.2-inch widened heating strip, significantly exceeding the surface area of standard seals. It measures roughly 15 inches wide, similar to the width of a medium-sized laptop. Weighing just 3.95 pounds, it is lighter than a standard 2-slice toaster. The double pump system moves 18 liters of air per minute, reaching peak vacuum levels rapidly. It utilizes automatic bag detection to initiate the cycle without manual triggers. The construction consists of durable ABS material in a sleek silver-black finish. It includes a bag mouth clamp to prevent shifting during the 120-volt operation. Specialized pulse vac technology allows users to manually interrupt the cycle, protecting delicate textures from crushing under high pressure. Number 3. Smart app integration tracks expiration dates while using 45% less energy. The Beelicious Pro utilizes a 110-watt EcoSeal system to move 12 liters of air per minute. It measures 15.83 inches long, requiring roughly the floor space of a large welcome mat turned sideways. The stainless steel housing provides a premium aesthetic and easy care surface. A digital timer provides real-time feedback during the 80 kilopascals vacuum process. This model is unique for its smart app connectivity, allowing users to log seal dates and nutrition data via smartphone. The smart DC-controlled heating element prevents bag damage by monitoring temperature spikes during repetitive use. It meets strict ETL safety standards and includes integrated roll storage. The compact height of 3.31 inches allows it to slide into shallow kitchen drawers easily. Number 2. Engineered specifically for sous vide excellence with a compact, one-touch interface. This specialized tool focuses on air-free immersion cooking, ensuring bags remain submerged during long cycles. At 2.3 pounds, it is exceptionally light, weighing less than a standard bunch of bananas. It stands about 3 inches tall, making it smaller than a bedside nightstand clock. Despite its slim profile, it features a powerful 800-watt heating system for rapid thermal bonding. The interface is simplified to a single-button operation, though manual pulse and seal overrides are available. The design originated in San Francisco specifically to complement precision immersion circulators. It functions on 110-volt power and includes 10 BPA-free pre-cut bags. The plastic construction is optimized for portability and occasional use rather than industrial-scale bulk processing. Number 1. Commercial-grade 90 kilopascals pump features a dedicated mode for soups and stews. This 130-watt powerhouse is the only unit featuring a specialized liquid sensing mode for purees and stews. At 8.54 pounds, it is a heavy-duty machine, weighing similar to a gallon of milk. It measures 15 inches long, roughly the footprint of 2 shoeboxes side by side. The 304 stainless steel build includes a double heat seal for added security against moisture-induced leaks. It is rated for over 200 continuous cycles, mimicking commercial performance. A built-in LED screen features a visual progress bar for monitoring the vacuum stage. The patented handle system allows for one-handed locking, applying consistent pressure across the 11.8-inch sealing bar. It includes a removable drip tray to catch accidental spills during the liquid sealing process. Which one should you buy? Best overall. Number 5. The Bonsenkitchen Vacuum Sealer. Its patented globefish technology and 4-pump system provide the most consistent vacuum for long-term storage and high-volume processing. Best features. Number 1. The Vakumar machine. It offers a specialized liquid sealing mode and double heat seal, making it the superior technical choice for soups, stews, and marinated proteins. Best value. Number 3. The Beelicious Pro. This unit balances smart app inventory tracking with a 45% reduction in energy consumption, providing the most long-term utility for the price. All product links with current pricing are in the description below. If this scientific breakdown helped you choose confidently, hit subscribe for more data-driven comparisons.